Join me as I take on the challenge of sticking to a nutrient-dense meal plan for 21 days straight. Let's see what kind of health transformation I can achieve. Today, I want to talk about something that I think is really important for all of us, taking control of our health. And one of the most impactful ways to do that is by focusing on the food we put into our bodies. That's why I'm excited to share with you a 21-day nutrient-dense meal plan that can help revitalize your health and give you the energy and vitality you deserve. We've all been there, feeling sluggish, tired, and just plain stuck. We know we need to make changes, but it's hard to know where to start. Poor nutrition is a major contributor to many of the common health challenges we face, from fatigue and weight gain to digestive problems and lack of energy. And it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about feeling good in our own skin and having the energy to live the life we want. When we're not fueling our bodies with the right foods, we can't perform at our best, and that's when problems start to arise. For me, I know that when I'm not taking care of my nutrition, I feel lethargic, unmotivated, and just plain tired all the time. I struggle to get out of bed in the morning, and I find myself reaching for coffee and sugary snacks just to get through the day. But I also know that when I make healthy choices, I feel like a completely different person. I have energy, I'm focused, and I feel like I can tackle anything that comes my way. There are so many different factors that contribute to poor nutrition, from busy schedules and convenience foods to lack of knowledge and skill in the kitchen. But the good news is that it's never too late to make a change. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods into our diets, we can start to see major improvements in our overall health and well-being. From reducing inflammation and improving digestion to boosting our immune systems and increasing our energy levels, the benefits of a healthy diet are endless. I want to share a personal story with you. A few years ago, I was struggling with my health and energy levels. I was constantly tired, my skin was breaking out, and I just didn't feel like myself. But when I started making some simple changes to my diet, cutting out processed foods, increasing my veggie intake, and cooking at home more often, I started to notice a major difference. My energy levels increased, my skin cleared up, and I just felt more confident and capable. And that's what I want for you. I want you to feel empowered to take control of your health and make changes that will last a lifetime. If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, don't worry. That's exactly why I created this meal plan. I want to help you break down the barriers and make healthy eating easy and accessible. And the best part is, you don't have to do it alone. We'll be doing this together, one meal at a time. So what does this meal plan look like exactly? Over the next 21 days, we'll be focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. We'll be incorporating healthy fats like avocados and nuts, and making sure we're getting enough omega-3s and fiber. We'll also be cooking at home using simple, easy-to-follow recipes that can be customized to fit your dietary needs and preferences. One of the key components of this meal plan is variety. We'll be switching up our protein sources, trying new vegetables, and experimenting with different spices and seasonings. We'll also be incorporating intermittent fasting and meal prep to make healthy eating easier and more convenient. And the best part is, you don't have to be a chef or a nutrition expert to follow along. All you need is a willingness to make a change and take control of your health. In conclusion, I want to emphasize the importance of taking control of our health and making informed choices about the food we put into our bodies. By incorporating nutrient-dense meals into our daily lives, we can start to see major improvements in our overall health and well-being. And I want to leave you with a challenge today. I want you to take one small step towards improving your health, whether that's cooking a new recipe at home or cutting out one unhealthy food from your diet. Let's do this. If you're excited to take on this challenge with me, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what your health goals are. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my other videos for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.